this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Leonardo AI app from Google Play Store. If you are trying to install this app but you are encountering errors and you can't totally install the app, then follow these steps to fix the problem. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So the first thing you want to ensure is that you have enough space in your smartphone before you install this app. In case you're trying to install the app but you don't have a free space, you'll need to free up space by deleting some unused photos or videos, as well as apps that you no longer use, and also just run a cleanup to clear trash from your smartphone. From here, you need to go to Google Play Store app and then log in with your Gmail account before you can search for your Leonardo AI or Leonardo AI app. If you are already logged in but you are unable to install the app, then tap on the profile icon here and go to settings down below. Now, if you tap on settings, you can see we have quite a number of options. Look for network preferences. If you tap on this, we have quite a number of options. We are interested in this app download preference. If you tap on it, you can see various options. Choose the first option, which is over any network. This will ensure you are able to download and install this app via the current network you are connected to. So tap on OK. Go ahead now, search for your app through Google Play Store, and now you should be able to install it. However, if you still encounter any issue while trying to install it, then the problem might be with Play Store itself. For that, you need to go to Play Store app info page, and you can access this by long pressing on Play Store. Then you should see app info. If you are missing this, you should have a settings gear or even the name of the app. Tap on any of this to access the app info page, and this go to clear data down here, and we are interested in clearing the cache data. So these are just small files that your Google Play Store normally collects and stores to enhance user experience. At this point now, restart your smartphone, open now your Google Play Store, and let's search for our app, Leonardo AI. And if I run the search here, I'll try now and install the app and see if everything is okay. And as you can see, now I'm able to download and install the app from Google Play Store. So that's how you can fix can't install Leonardo AI image generator app from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.